Check my screen clearly. If you like what you see, just stay with me to the end and see how simple and how accurate this strategy is. If you check my screen clearly, we have a live opening trade right now, and just stay with me, because it's a forwarded video, it's going to be fast, to see we're going to read the result of this position we are opening, and at the same time I'm going to explain what makes this possible, the simple strategy we apply. And note, everything is on a real account, bro. All right, you'll stay with me to the end. You can see we already make over $12,000 with this strategy, and guess what, I'm ready to share this out. All right, so just pay attention, and bring down your pen. At the same time, drop a comment right now in order to to help us to do more. At the same time, subscribe to the channel. All right, you can see the trade we just opened a few minutes ago. It's already on blues. All right, next step, stay with me. Let's explain how simple this is and how you can get this done as well. All right, please note, not to use 100%. All right, the most important thing in the trading game is your proper risk management. If you're interested to take advantage of this, what you need to do is two indicators on the screen. If you check my screen very well, you will notice moving average, and we also have stochastic as well. So how can you get this done? If you're new to this, all right, I'll go ahead and delete all the indicators I have on my screen and install them back. So please make sure you follow all the procedure. Right, then this is the empty chart. So what do I need? The first indicator I need is my stochastic oscillator, which I'm going to tap on my screen. I go to indicator windows and then look for stochastic oscillator. Boom, you click on it, and please make sure you input your parameters as it appear on my screen here. All right, this is for mobile phone. The same thing also apply on laptop as well. Your K period should be on 100. Sorry, your K period should be on 100. Boom. Put your K period on 100, you move down to your D period, make sure it's on 5, showing should be on 4, then price field should be on close. Then you come over to method and put it on simple. After that is done, you click on OK. Boom. If you check on my screen here, stochastic have appear again. Then after that, you move back to your screen again, type on indicators, and then open your main windows, then look for moving average. All right, and then the first moving average period we need is period 10. You come to the period here, edit it to 10, shift should be on 0, your method is on simple. All right, then you apply to close. Boom. After that is done, you click on OK. You notice our first indicator, you change this color to black. Let's change this color to black. The first one should be black. Okay, let's change this to black. Change the first color to black. Boom, click on OK. All right, then we need to input another moving average again. You go back to the main window, you click on moving average. All right, then this time around you change it to moving average 15. All right, and then make sure everything is appear here simple. All right, as you do the last time, you click on OK. All right, then you can change this color to the second one. You can change the color. Let's change the color to 15 period. Let's change the color to red. Right, boom. Let's change the color to red. So now we have our indicator set on the screen. So after this, these are the confirmation to open and close trade. All right, the first confirmation is to come over to your 1 hour time frame and check if your stochastic is above the 80 overbought zone for a sell signal, right? And the same thing also apply on a buy signal. Anything you do on the sell signal, which I'm going to explain here, that's the same thing you're going to apply on a buy signal as well. So on this sell signal, what you need to do, we start from 1 hour time frame. You check if your stochastic is above the 80 oversold zone. All right, when that is done, you move to 30 minutes and confirm. Is the same thing happen on 30 minutes? You check very well. If you notice very well, we are on 30 minutes. Our stochastic is above the 80 overbought zone. Then what do? We switch to 15 minutes. All right, and check if the same thing happen on 15 minutes. All right, then we are set, man. We are set, bro. Then you move to 5 minutes, which we're going to use to execute our position. It's your decision to choose 5 minutes or 1 hour time frame. Sorry, 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. All right, if you check closely on the 5 minutes, you notice stochastic again on 5 minutes is above the 80 over. It was above. If you check very well, you notice our stochastic was above. All right, the 80 oversold zone was above. the 80 overbought zone. If we check on 5 minutes, stochastic was right. So what do we need to do? We check our moving average crossover. Then if we look very well here, stochastic here I've confirmed on 5 minutes from 1 hour to 5 minutes, right? We wish to trade using 5 minutes, and if you want to apply the same thing, use 1 minute time frame. Your stochastic must be from 1 hour, 30 minutes, right? 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Must be above the 80 overbought zone. This is for a sell signal. All right, then for example, now this particular signal here is on 5 minutes. You notice everything is in place. Our stochastic from 1 hour down to 5 minutes, all right, is above the 80 overbought zone. So what do? Immediately our moving average crossover and give us a signal. The first signal, the moving average, if you check very well, this moving average have crossover. Then at the same time, our stochastic on 5 minutes have crossover. Please note, this stochastic crossover confirmation is only on the time frame we want to use to execute our position. All right, so what do? We have a valid signal. You move ahead and open your sell position. Boom. This is how simple it is. And then if you feel like, I want to do this on 1 minute time frame, the same thing also apply. If you notice very well, on 1 minute time frame, 1 minute I've already delivered already. After you check from 1 hour down to 1 minute, and then you notice that on the 1 minute, from 1 hour time frame to 1 minute, our stochastic, all right, is on of 80, is above the 80 overbought zone. And then immediately our moving average crossover and give us signal as well on 1 minute time frame. What do? We get in and open our position. We get in and open the position. After opening the position, how do we close our position? It's simple. All right, immediately stochastic get to 20 oversold zone. Immediately your stochastic level cross over the 20 oversold zone. That's when we close and take profit. And then if you are using 5 minutes, the same thing also apply. If you are using 5 minutes, the same thing also apply. Immediately, like for example, here we have getting using the 5 minutes time frame. So immediately stochastic get to the 20 oversold zone. We're going to take our profit. Then what happens when it doesn't go on our direction? Because this strategy is not 100%. No strategy is 100%. All right. Then what happens when the market doesn't go on our direction? That's where our stop loss and take profit comes in. All right. And at the same time, we do apply smart martingale to our position. But when applying smart martingale, you must follow proper risk management. All right. Not by opening big lot on a small account or a lot that's going to blow your account. So what do we do? For example, here you notice this trade is already on profit. All right, it's already on profit. So what do we do if this market doesn't go on our direction? Example, if we choose to trade, open our position on 5 minutes time frame. All right, if we choose to open our position on 5 minutes time frame, if this market doesn't go on our direction and all of a sudden stochastic move back up again, stochastic move back and cross back, move up again and cross back the 80 overbought zone, what do we wait? All right, and then immediately it crosses back again, giving us another sell signal. Right, what do? That's when we execute another sell position with a higher lot. Example, if you were using 0.01 to open the first position, all right, then when the signal confirm again, what do? You double your lot to 0.02. all right. Please note, we only do it 30 times and you must follow proper risk management. Then if the third one, all of a sudden the market doesn't go the direction, continue the direction again, all right, and then stochastic now move back again and give you another signal, what do? You bring out your calculator and add all the lot that you apply to your position. Example, you bring out your calculator, you add 0.01 plus 0.02 times, either you choose to use 1.5 or times 2 going to recover back the loss. Immediately the market just move a little on your direction, you times 2. All right, then any lot that your calculator give you, all right, you come over again, and okay, for example here, let me move to my calculator. Let me open my calculator here. Right, let me open my calculator. Example, I was trading with 0.01. all right, and then all of a sudden 0. Sorry, let me delete this, 0.01 lot, and then all of a sudden the market go on my direction again, go against me. I give another signal. I also add another 0.02, all right, which is currently the total lot that I have is 0.03, and then the market still don't go on my direction. And at the same time, our stochastic give you a signal again on the same time frame you were opening your position. All right, so what do? We add the total lot. Currently, we have 0.3 loss. So what do? We add all the loss, 0.03 times 1.5, right, which is going to give you 0.45. Here you cannot add 0.45, which totally 0.04. All right, you open another sell position. Then if it doesn't go on your direction, and then you see another opportunity that this market is true, like this market going to go down, right, what do? You come over again and do the same thing times 2. Please note, you must follow proper risk management in order for your account not to blow off, right? Because Martingale is risky if you're not following proper risk management. So this is how cool it is. You can see how clean this is. Example, the trade we are running is already on blues. All right. Example, if we were using 1 minute, we could have even leave this position for a long period of time. And then, when you're using 1 minute time frame, your profit going to be little. All right. Then if you choose to use 15 minutes, your profit going to be 5 minutes. Your profit going to be high. All right. And then immediately the stochastic get to 20 oversold zone. All right. What will we do? We leave our position. All right, so this is how simple it is to trade with this strategy, make money. If you found this video helpful, please kindly drop a like this video, comment right now, invite your friends, take this video to your friends, take time, analyze it, watch this video together with your friend, and apply the same step. Thank me later. All right, please, I remain your friend, Martingale Official. All right, I'm hoping to see you on my next video. And if you want me to do a separate tutorial video on how to step by step to apply smart Martingale to your trading, all right, you drop a comment right now. I'm interested.